everyone, and welcome back. I'm Phil, the TruTechDad. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the HyperX Cloud Alpha. A lot of people have been telling me that they've been wanting to see an unboxing for these and see how they are. And I'm actually been hearing a lot about these, and I want to use these also. So I'm going to unbox these, see what's in here. I'll let you know what's in here, because I've actually never used these. I've got the Cloud 2s, and they worked great for me. So I'm gonna unbox these and see how these work. So let me get my unboxing knife here. Get this tape here off. Man, this is a freaking nice box, man. It's just like the Cloud 2. They had a nice box also. Ooh, this is nice. Alright, I got some instructions here. And this is it. This is pretty nice. I like it. So, let's take this thing out here. So, man, this is nice. Freaking nice, man. Look at this. There's the microphone, detachable mic, and man, this is. It reminds me of the Cloud 2s. So, very nice. Got the Hyper name here, and the cuffs are still soft. Got the aluminum metal. You hear that? Oops. And looks like this is where the mic actually connects into here. All right, there we go. Let's see what else is in here. Packet. All right, put that right there. And looks like a little box here. Ooh, this is nice. It's got the braided cord here, and it actually gives you where it connects into here. All right, got the braided cord. Got the it's a 3.5 millimeter jack, so it actually should connect into anything: phone, devices, tablets, any kind of speaker setup you may have. What else is in here? Looks like we got another cord here. I'm not sure exactly what this is. It's got the red and green connections here, and looks like it's also braided and heavy duty filling also. I guess this will connect into here like this, so you'll have a way to connect in. I guess this is some kind of aux jack. What else is in here? Oh, it comes with a little bag that you can put this stuff in. I'll attach this, take this off. Alright, it's got a little bag for traveling to put everything in. And that's it in the box here. There's nothing else in here. So I'll put all this stuff back in here. Man, guys, these are actually pretty awesome. I like these a lot. They fit over the ear, and they feel great. They feel great. I have a fish tank over there. I actually cannot hear the fish tank bubbles now. I can hear them now, but I can't hear anything. So these actually fit over the ear. They feel really great, and they're soft. They're kind of like that the Cloud 2 in a way. I really like them. I'm glad I got them. Now I just gotta listen to the sound quality and everything. Okay, oh, I didn't notice this. Has volume control here and also a mute button. It's unlike the Cloud 2 because it had a sound card, and but I guess you're able to control the volume here and mute it. So, man, these are really awesome. I can't wait to put these to work. I think these are gonna be great, and I'm gonna start working on these and using them and see what. Oh, let me pull this off. Yeah, this one too. Come on. Oh yeah, yeah, that's nice. All right. So again, guys, this is my unboxing of the Cloud Alpha by HyperX, and man, that bag feels really nice. It's like silky kind of feeling to it. So as you can see, this box is pretty nice for storage if you want to put it back in there. And this is it. This is the box. This is really nice. Instructions here. You have the instructions. There's got a little thing that says HyperX has got you covered, and they'll help you with any kind of support. And it's just a little thing saying, welcome to the HyperX family. I'm already in part of the HyperX family. I love it. I love it. I love HyperX products. So, guess I'm going to check these out. I'm gonna check this out, see how it is, see how it's running. So everyone, I hope you liked my unboxing of the Cloud Alpha by HyperX. If you did, please press that like button, and if you're new to the channel, subscribe. It'll help me out and get me some more subscribers so that everybody can see these videos that I make. Please do. And if you have any comments, please leave in the comments section below. And again, subscribe so you can get more of my videos, and press that bell button. It'll actually send you a notification that I put up a new video or a new live stream. So again, I am Phil, the TruTechDad, and thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Wait a minute, I almost forgot. My buddy, Latino Boy 2. I want to give you a shout out, but I promised I was going to give you one, and I thank you for watching my live stream of the E3 Sony conference. So I want to give you a shout out. Everybody, please go check out my buddy, Latino Boy 2. He's a streamer, and he's a game streamer. He's streaming a lot of Fortnite. Cool guy. I appreciate him for watching my live stream that night with me and my son. Again, thanks for watching. This is a shout out to you, but I didn't forget about you. But I appreciate you conversating with us that night, and we'll talk to you later. Have a good one.